water environment. Water is essential for life, encompassing rivers, lake, ocean, groundwater, and their ecosystem. Water is a vital element for life, covers 71% of Earth's surface with ocean holding 97%. However, only 3% is fresh water and less than 1% accessible for human use. These resources sustain ecosystem, support agriculture and industry, and provides drinking water for billions. Importance of the water environment. Ecosystem support lakes, rivers, ocean, and wetlands are vital ecosystems that house diverse species, maintain biodiversity, and support food chains. Human survival. Clean water is vital for drinking, sanitation, and hygiene. It also plays a role in agriculture, energy production and industry. Climate regulation. Ocean acts as a carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 and regulating temperature through heat distribution. The impact of ecosystem and community in water environment. Polluted and depleted water environment disrupt ecosystem, coral bleach due to warming ocean, fish population decline from overfishing, and communities face water scarcity, and in developing regions lack of access to clean water contributes to health issue and economic challenges. And this is some solution and sustainable practice of water environment. Protecting the water environment requires collective action like conservation, efficiency, water use in agriculture and household can reduce consumption, pollution control, proper waste disposal, wastewater treatment, and reducing plastic use and can prevent contamination. Ecosystem restoration, protecting wetland, reforesting, watershed, and establishing marine protected areas can restore balance. Characteristic of wastewater. First, physical characteristic. These relate to the observable properties of wastewater, including color. Freshwater wastewater is usually gray. Older wastewater turns dark due to decomposition and the presence of organic matters. Industrial discharge can also add distinctive, distinctive color depending on the type of wastewater. Odor. Fresh wastewater has a musty smell, while decomposed wastewater has a foul odor due to hydrogen, sulfide, ammonia, and the other gases produced by anaerobic decomposition. Temperature usually higher than the water supply due to domestic and industrial activities. Elevate temperature can accelerate biological activity and decomposition. Total solids include both suspended and dissolved solids. Suspended solids can settle while dissolved solids pass through filters. Floating materials, these include oil, grease, plastics, and other buoyant debris that floating on the surface of wastewater. Foam can form due to detergents, surfactants of biological activities, often indicating industrial discharge or excessive organic loading. And sludge formation, accumulation of settable solids at the bottom of tank or channels, often resulting from the decomposition of organic matter. Conductivity, an indirect measure of dissolved ions in wastewater, which increase with higher concentration or salt and minerals. Grease and chemical characteristic. This describes the composition of wastewater, including organic and inorganic substance. pH indicates whether wastewater is acidic or alkaline, typically between 6.5 to 8.5. Extreme pH level can harm aquatic life and disrupt treatment processes. Dissolved oxygen, essential for aerobics biological processes. Low levels indicate pollution and can be lead to anaerobic condition producing foul odors. Biochemical oxygen demand. measure the oxygen required for microbial decomposition of organic matter. High BOD indicates significant organic pollution. Chemical oxygen demand measures the total oxygen required to oxidize both biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. It gives a broader indication of pollution than BOD. Nutrients include nitrogen compounds, ammonia, nitrate, and phosphorus, which contribute eutrophication, promoting excessive algae through in water bodies. Total dissolved solids represent the concentration of dissolved substances including salts, minerals, and metals. High TDS affects wastewater quality and aquatic ecosystem. Total substances solids TSS refers to undissolved participle in wastewater which can carry pollutant and reduce light penetration in water bodies. Heavy metals include toxic elements like leads, mercury, cadmium, and chromium. Even in small concentration, they pose significant environmental and health risks. Biological characteristics. This refers to the microorganism present in wastewater, including bacteria, includes both pathogenic and non-pathogenic bacteria. Viruses, tiny infectious agents such as hepatitis, rotavirus, and norovirus, and enterovirus can spread through contaminated water and pose serious health risks. Protozoa, single-celled organisms like Guardian, Lambia, and Cytosporidium known from causing waterborne illness, especially through the injection of contaminated water. Fungi can be present in wastewater, especially in industrial effluent, while not typically harmful to humans. In low concentration, some fungi can cause infection, particularly immunocompromised individuals. Algae may grow in wastewater if nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus are abundant. Excessive algae growth can lead to algae blooms, depleting oxygen levels and harming aquatic ecosystem. Helminths, parasitic worm, eggs or larvae or intestinal worm such as ascaris, tinctorium, and hookworm can be present in untreated wastewater and pose significant health risks.
Thank you so much.